Hi, Fortunate One. Welcome back to Fortunate Awakening. I'm Nadine, and today we are creating our vision boards for 2021. We're going to create the life that we want moving forward. We're going to embrace the freedom that we have, and we are going to plan things out, take action, and watch them appear in our lives because we deserve happiness. We are not who we were before. God is with us, wanting to help us, but as the Bible says, have a vision, make it clear, and that's what we're going to do. One step of that is having a vision board.
Okay, I've gotten all of the supplies I need for my vision board. I have my scissors, glue sticks, poster board, and then I have like a goal sheet that I use to plan out all of my goals. Here you can see other things I have that just make me feel really good. I have my mojito. Instead of it being a mojito, it's just a salsa water with mint and lime. And then some other inspirational items I have is my quartz stone, my hope decoration, my 2 angels, and then a peppermint candle that I have burning just to set that ambiance, to have that energy from the fire, and then that wonderful smell of the peppermint oil.
I've shown this in other videos that I have my notebooks that I just keep track of my thoughts, keep track of my emotions, keep track of my goals that I have. And those goals are concerning myself, my family, and it's every area of my life. And then I break up my life into areas when I set goals. With the vision board, you want to choose short-term and long-term goals that you want to put on your vision board. So you get a piece of paper, you write down all your goals. Oh my goodness, you could easily have 100 goals. I want to pay off all my debt. I want to lose 30 pounds. I want to meet the man of my dreams. I want to go back to school. I want to move to a new city. Oh my goodness, if you are trying to do all of them at one time, you can easily become overwhelmed and frustrated because you can't see yourself progressing on any of the goals. So we have our short-term and our long-term goals. So the long-term goals, by all means, list them all down in your book. List them down. And then for what I do that keeps me from getting frustrated and overwhelmed is for each year, I pick 10 goals, like 8 to 10 goals that I am truly focusing on. These are short-term goals that if I put the action in and the focus and positive energy, that these goals should come about before the end of the year. So I've done that in the past. Some of my goals that some things that I've manifested was no longer working night shift. Another thing was, to have my Mercedes paid off. Manifested that. Mercedes is paid off. So those are like short-term goals that I saw. Now we have goals to be multimillionaires by the time we retire at 59 and a half. So we do take steps to work towards that goal of being multimillionaires. But I know that if that doesn't happen within 2021, I won't feel disappointed because that is a long-term goal. So write down your goals, all your goals, and then pick 8 to 10 short-term goals that you are going to manifest in 2021. So when I look at my life, which is a complicated life, it's a whole lot going on. I separate it out into categories. So my life is separated into categories: health and beauty, wealth, career, love, spirituality, new experiences. I used to call that travel, but now it's new experiences / travel because our travel is halted. And then knowledge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 categories that I have my life separated into. And then I plug the goals that I've written, I plug them into where they fit under these 7 categories. It just helps me keep things organized. So then when I have 8 to 10 goals that I'm going to work on, I find pictures, images of those goals. So one of my goals for 2021 is to lose 25 pounds. So and the action steps that I'm going to take. So I'm just not going to put on there, lose 25 pounds. I'm going to put pictures of the action steps that I'm going to take. You can use so many things for your visuals, pictures or images that you have in your home. What I did, because I decluttered my home, and I don't have any of my magazines. I had every Essence, Ebony, Jet, Style, Martha Stewart Living. I had all those magazines, but I decluttered, so I don't have them anymore. But what I was able to do was go on and look under Google Images and then download the images that were going to help me visualize my goals. And then I put those on my vision board. I was able to download them to a Word document because that helped me to size them, because like some of the pictures were huge pictures, but I needed them to be smaller to fit on my vision board. And then some were small, I could make them larger, and I printed them out on my printer. Even if you don't have a printer, you can set up like a Walgreens account or a CVS account, and you can send the image to their photography area, and it's like 10 cents to print out each 4x6 photo. So even if you don't have a printer, that's another way that you can get those images.
So here are all of my images that I printed out, and we have everything we need now. Let's get started creating a beautiful 2021. Let the fun begin.
It's all about the Benjamins, baby. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. What y'all want to do? Want to be ballers, shot callers. I'm being silly.
Okay, now I have all of the images cut out, and now we get to move on to the step of gluing them and arranging them in a way that's going to motivate us. This was so enjoyable and relaxing, and as I was gluing each photo onto the board, I was putting my positive intention into them, my intention of having success in 2021, achieving those goals. I was so excited when I found these 3D stickers. They're of butterflies, and my theme for this year, for 2021, is rebirth. And I loved how they were different sizes in addition to being 3D, because the different sizes meant to me like we're all in different phases of our journey of healing and recovery. So they were a perfect visual. They look like they're flying. We're flying above all of the obstacles. Nothing can hold us down.
So I put one here.
I am just so excited about how well this is turning out. And then here I'm just writing in my theme for the year. My theme is rebirth. And then I also am writing in my number of the year. My biblical number of the year is 888. So you can also, write in things that you want to focus on as you're creating your vision board. Yay! I'm all done, and I love the outcome. I know that this vision board is going to help me focus on my goals for 2021. Yay!
2021 is our year of rebirth. We're going to fly in our freedom. Okay, fortunate ones, that's it. Look how easy it was. It was enjoyable. I had my mocktail. You even heard me rap. That's a rarity. But go ahead, go to the dollar store or wherever you want to go, get your supplies, plan out 2021. It is our year of growth, rebirth, and success. Infinite possibilities. Till next time, fortunate ones.